What is it? What is it? Do you know what it is?
What?
What's Mommy think it is? More cookies? Oh my goodness.
Cookies.
Those look good.
I'm going to make all the presents.
Okay, open up all the presents.
This one's not hard. How come this is hard? Oh, there we go. Look at these.
What are those? More candy?
I got all the presents I got. How do I open this? How do I open this? I don't know what's inside.
It is hard.
My cookies are not. How in the world are these?
Those look like chocolate-covered pretzels.
Can we taste them?
Maybe. Would you like to taste one?
Sure. I wonder what's this present.
Oh, I think you might like that one better. Do you know what that is?
Here.
Do you know what that is? What's that look like?
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
You want me to open popcorn or pretzels? Which would you like?
Pretzel.
Pretzels? Okay, let me get this in.